Giovanni Battista di Jacopo was born 8th of March 1495 in Gregorian style, or 1494 according to the calculation of times in Florence, where the year began on 25th of March, died 14th of November 1540. Known as Rosso Fiorentino, or Il Rosso, was an Italian Mannerist painter who worked in oil and fresco and belonged to the Florentine school, where he was exposed to the works of Michelangelo, Raphael, and other Renaissance artists, resulting in the realignment of his artistic style. Rosso's reputation, along those of other stylized late Renaissance Florentines, was long out of favor in comparison to other more naturalistic and graceful contemporaries, but has revived considerably in recent decades. That his masterpieces in a small city, away from the tourist track, was a factor in this, especially before the arrival of photography. His poses are certainly contorted, and his figures often appear haggard and thin, but his work has considerable power.